Hey music creators, are your Suno AI vocals sounding a bit off? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix your AI generated vocals for professional quality tracks. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify the problem areas. Start by listening to your generated vocal track. Pay attention to issues like background noise, uneven volume, or pitch errors. Knowing what needs fixing is the first step to getting it right. Step 2. Export the AI vocals. Next, export your AI vocals as an audio file. This will allow you to tweak and refine the track using external tools. Step 3. Use Audacity for refinement. Now we'll use Audacity, a free and beginner-friendly tool. Import your vocal file, and we're ready to clean things up. Step 4. Fix pitch and timing issues. If your vocals sound off-key, use the pitch correction tool to align them perfectly. You can also tweak the timing to match your backing track seamlessly. And that's it. Your Suno AI vocals are now polished and ready to shine. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments. Happy music making, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.